Yesterday I made a video about light rail, and I'm not trying to brag about it. In fact, I'm trying to do the opposite. I want you to watch that video again and think about what's wrong with this video. Well, I'll never forget how I missed the train, but the train kept rolling on anyway. No, I'll never forget how I missed the train, but the train kept rolling on anyway. So did you catch that? The video shows light rail, and then it shows the whole sequence again with a song thrown in. And the song is called Missing the Train, and I'm not trying to brag, but I wrote that song. And I actually think it's all right. It's really just a chorus, though. And what it needs are some verses so that it's longer than 20 seconds. So what that video needs on top of a longer song is better enhancement that fits the mood of the song. If you notice, the video gets real bright, like bright green, bright orange, and those aren't natural colors or tints. Those are just enhancements through iMovie on my iMac. So I was just playing around with colors, and at first I thought it was okay, but watching it a few times back I realized this doesn't look real. Not only that, it doesn't fit the theme of the song, Missing the Train, which kind of has a bluesy feel to it, so it kind of needs to be done in black and white. So here's what I came up with. Well, I'll never forget how I missed the train, but the train kept rolling on anyway. No, I'll never forget how I missed the train, but the train kept rolling on anyway. So like I said, now it just needs more than just a chorus. It needs to expand on that little riff and some other chord. It can't just be 3 chords. I'm sorry, but I'm really burning out on the same 3 chords over and over. So maybe just different chords. I'll be experimenting with it, and I'll get back with you.